Is it possible that all life on Earth, including human life, originated from alien DNA? Hello, fellow Alpha Centaurians. Ian here for D-News to talk about the meaning of life. Kinda. Let's cut to the chase. We have a pretty good idea that life on Earth popped into being around 3.5 billion years ago. Sure, back then, life wasn't particularly glamorous, unless being a single-cell prokaryote living in a pool of organic goo is your idea of glamour. But that's how we think our planet's biosphere began. There is, however, a lot of debate surrounding how life came to be and where life's building blocks really came from. Were all the prebiotic chemicals already here on Earth laid out like the ingredients to a biological cake? Or did these chemicals come from elsewhere? A tantalizing clue recently came from Europe's Rosetta mission that has been orbiting Comet 67P for the past 2 years. In addition to the incredible number of discoveries Rosetta's made, the detection of the amino acid glycine in the comet's coma, basically the dusty, gassy atmosphere surrounding the comet, has excited astrobiologists. This is the second comet known to be carrying the amino acids. In 2004, it was found on the comet Wild 2, which is exciting because we know that glycine is one of the essential building blocks for life, and we know that finding it in more than one place isn't a fluke. Not only that, but Rosetta's comet also contains other compounds that form the building blocks of life, including the element phosphorus that is the backbone of DNA and RNA. This basically reaffirms that comets sow the potential seeds for life on planetary bodies. So we have a pretty good idea that the ingredients for life can be found anywhere and could be transported to habitable worlds via comets. But what if life itself could be transported from one planet to another? This concept is known as panspermia, and it's a hypothesis that really puts your imagination into a spin. For argument's sake, let's say life formed on Earth first. In the billions of years of evolution, Earth has been hit by countless massive meteorite strikes. Should these impacts have been powerful enough, chunks of Earth's crust have been kicked into space. As the planet is covered in life, some of these chunks of Earth rock would have likely had bacteria hitching a ride. Should these hardy microbes survive for long enough, protected deep inside their rocky interplanetary vehicle, could they end up crashing onto another world, survive the impact, and take up home? This hypothesis is known as lithopanspermia, and although it's highly speculative means of life hopping from planet to planet, we do know that rocks have traveled across the solar system. For example, Mars meteorites have been found on Earth. Massive Martian impacts have kicked pieces of red planet into space, only for those samples to fall on Earth, sometimes thousands of years later. There's even some excitement surrounding the possibility that fossilized bacteria might exist within these meteorites, though further analysis has shown that these fossils were actually mineral deposits. Another hypothesis called necropanspermia even suggests that for life to spread from planet to planet, the organisms in the meteorite needn't be alive when they arrive at their destination. Their fossilized DNA may create a template by which organic chemicals can latch onto, spawning life. In this case, rocks that have traveled interstellar distances may seed life in other star systems. And then there's an even more out there hypothesis that some advanced alien civilizations seeded protoplanetary disks around young stars with their own special blend of amino acids to create a cosmic life in their image. This sci-fi possibility is called directed panspermia. Although there is currently zero evidence that panspermia is a thing, we do know that the ingredients for life are everywhere, and it's possible that the biology that kick-started life on Earth didn't, in fact, originate here. Do you think life as we know it was actually seeded from space? Let us know in the comments and keep coming back here for D-News every day.